You ever wonder how it is that some people look like they're online all the time? They're always posting, their content looks amazing, their social media looks really together. You ever wonder how they do that? Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule your social media posts so that you look like a pro. Now, before I get started, I really want you to subscribe to this channel and also hit that bell. Hey everyone, it's your homegirl Angel, and once again, I'm alone but still living Firme. Today, I am going to show you how you can save time by scheduling your social media posts. So what are some of the reasons that you would want to schedule your posts? Well, first of all, it saves time. You want to post your content when your audience is online. Now, just because your audience is online doesn't mean that you want to be a slave to your audience. It's a likely thing that if you have a business, your business is not social media marketing. Your business is doing what you do. You want to figure out when the best time to post is for you and schedule your posts when your audience is on. There are many ways to schedule your social media, but today I'm going to just cover two. And I highly recommend them to my clients, to our mastermind clients, because they are amazing. I'm just gonna do the basic chairs on these systems. If you want to use them, I highly recommend you go to the website, you watch the tutorials. The first tool that I use is a tool called Hootsuite, hootsuite.com. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I wanted to share with you what Hootsuite looked like on mobile. I understand a lot of you are on mobile, so let's just get started. The interface is pretty easy. Here's my account. You get a lot on a pro account, but you don't need a pro account. Here it says I have only 10 of 50 social network added. You can see my Twitter profile, various Facebook accounts, and I'm going to focus on Living Firme in this demonstration. So the great thing about Hootsuite is that you can schedule Facebook pages, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. What you can see through the mobile app, which you can use inside of the desktop, is Pinterest. So if you are active on Pinterest, if you love Pinterest, you can schedule your Pinterest posts from your desktop. You just can't schedule them from your mobile phone. But I just wanted to let you know that you can post a lot if you do the pro version. However, you don't need the pro version, so please don't think that you have to have it. Here I am in the planner. As you can see here, today at 6 p.m. I have a post going out, and this is what it looks like. Now I actually want to go in here and make some changes, so I'll just take you along for the ride so you can see how easy it is. You just go in, and here is the graphic. This is what it looks like. This is what we'll be posting to the Living Firme Instagram account today at 6 p.m. It's a quote that I made in Canva. If you would like to know more about how you can make your own graphics really easily, just put in the comments graphics and I'll know what video I have to make next. Let me go back to the corrections I want to make to this, which are actually in the text. So I'm going to hit this little side button here. These don't work. They're just leaving brackets in the middle. That used to be what worked, but it no longer works. So I want spaces. It's really good when you're able to have spaces broken up. It helps people read your captions more easily when there are spaces. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and it will go ahead and schedule. As you can see, it says this post is scheduled for May 29th at 6 p.m. I can view it in the planner, so I was able to edit it. It is just as easy to go ahead and schedule a brand new post. The ability to go into images on your device. You have also free images. So let's say I want to search for a free image. I want an image of a lowrider. Let's see what they come up with. Oh, fantastic. There we go. How about we say something like cruising on a Sunday afternoon. Right? You know how it is. I'm going to post this to my Instagram account on Living Firme, and I'm going to custom schedule it for July 1st. Okay, my people are on at around 6, so I'm going to do that. There we go. The post is now scheduled for July 1st. So there you have it. Really, really easy way to schedule. And it will be the easiest tool for you to use. If you watch the video that I did with Cynthia on time management, I'm gonna list it right here, you will find that I get off social media, I get off devices 1 day a week, but it still looks like I'm online because I schedule my posts. You can gain followers by creating consistent, engaging posts. How do you do that? You post every day. Brands that post 7 days a week are likely to gain more followers than brands that only post 1 time a week. Like I mentioned, there are a million different platforms to schedule your content. A lot of them will give you a chance to start free. This is Sprout Social, that's one. This is Later. This is the only approved partner for Instagram. So if you're really just into growing your Instagram, you might want to consider Later. It is a robust platform. The second tool I'm going to share with you is a tool called Planoly. Here I am in Planoly, and I'm just going to sign into the Living Firme account. All right, there we have it. We are in the free version of Planoly. We're in the Living Firme dashboard right now. Now, Planoly works just like Hootsuite. You can schedule posts, and it's really great. I'm not going to get into how to schedule the post because it's exactly the same as Hootsuite. You would just add your images, etc. I'm going to focus on what's different in Planoly and what makes Planoly worth getting into and adding to your arsenal of scheduling tools. Planoly is really beautiful. First of all, it's very visual. So one of the things I like is just the interface. As you can see, Living Firme has sort of a checkerboard effect. We do every other post is color, every other post is black and white. It's sort of subtle, but we like that. And I really like that Planoly gives you the ability to see what you have scheduled and what your dashboard currently looks like and could potentially look like. I'm going to jump right in and show you the things that I really like about Planoly. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the discovery tool. This tool is really cool because it allows you to search hashtags or search users, and then it will allow you to add those posts to your feed. So if I want to go ahead and find somebody who I really like, let's say I'm gonna find Angel Awakened and see what she's got going on, and I'll look her up. What comes up? Oh, here she is. Let's say I'm going to post this quote, and I'm gonna go here. We are all being judged by somebody who isn't even close to having their shit together. Yes, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add that, and it instantly is going to take this and schedule it to my feed. Is that amazing? Yes, it is. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna automatically post it. I'm gonna schedule it for June 30th, and I'm gonna save that. So now you see how quick things can be, especially if you are doing a lot of collaborations with people, if you're gathering your tribe. You can do the same thing with hashtags. You can search for a hashtag. Let's say something that we're really into at Living Firme is small business motivation. Let's see what comes up. Small business motivation. So we're going to see a lot of quotes here. We'll pick one that we like. We're going to go ahead and add this. And once again, you're going to see that you can easily schedule something that's inspiring right from your desktop. You can look through these. You can decide which ones you're going to add to your grid. We're going to load more. We're just going to add this to the grid. And so now you have all these posts that have been added to your grid, and you can go ahead and make them your own by adding your own verbiage here. Make it your own. Give credit build your tribe in this way. So again, this is just one of the ways that I feel Planoly really hooks you up. So you can do this. So if you want more information on growing your business, on using social media to grow your brand, on marketing, and you want really custom personalized information that will work for you specifically, consider joining our mastermind. We meet once a week online or on the phone if it's more comfortable for you, and we dive deep into your business. It's a small group of incredible people that get together and have a like mind to see each other succeed. So go ahead and head on over to Shop Living Firme and find out more information, and we'd love to have you come on over and join us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please again like and subscribe and leave a comment. Al rato!